Hello. IT Factory is the best in Dubai. To be sincerely speaking, they are the best because I was sick and stressed. Then my phone go off for something like 1 week. I go to 5 different places. But when I come to this factory, in 24 hours,
Okay.
then this is my brother. Then my phone come on.
Yeah.
I was like, only God know the type of technician these people have, and this place is the best in town. To be sincerely speaking, if you
Please,
came to this,
if
you came to this factory,
come to IT,
you will never regret
Make
it.
technology easier for you.
This
Make
is my
technology
iPhone.
good for you.
My iPhone,
Come to this
it's a
place.
second class iPhone, but these people manipulate it now.
Yeah, very
I
good.
can do so many things with it. It's on now. I'm so happy. Bless you. Thank you very, very much. I'm so happy. See this phone? I go 5 different places. No working. And this phone have my life, have my money. Without this phone, I don't know.
Take care.
Thank you very, very much. I'm so happy.
Actually, what we do inside,
Thank you.
it's a short circuit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, short circuit and all. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.